Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with our favorite, which is Umkhokha the Curse. Unfortunately, the relationship Uzamaf is not Zamafuing at this point. Uzamkolo is so angry, he's not having it. Like, ahemisi or Mabusi hahemisiwe. Kore hajiga kamo obutiwa hajiga kamo watatatatiwa hajiga kamo ke silence treatment. Like, it's not nice. At this point, she's not enjoying her relationship. So she's even pushing and trying harder. Girl decided to go to Ukabsile, right? To just check what is happening Obabuake. Considering that Obabuake usesibhedlela, ubandlo uzamkolo should be supportive, uzamkolo should be listening, uzamkolo should be a shoulder to cry on for umabusi. But uzamkolo is distant, uzamkolo akazingeni, like he doesn't, like it looks like he doesn't care at this point. But unomafu needs him the most. Girl decided to say no. Let me also share with him what I think Ukabsile is hiding, and she tried to like sort of start a conversation. I girl like felt this marriage thing is not working. For the first time, Unomafu felt to no yena knows things are not thinking. So she decided to go to Umanzimande, saying to Umanzimande, Mama, I can't be gash. I know Gutabu Mama Banglaile. They advised me. What is it in English though? It's not necessarily advice. Ukulaya angazi ukuthi ngayibeka kanjani. Hwala. Okay, because advisor in Zulu, I think it has another term outside Ugyala. Like Ostwaning har bawadile. It means ukuthi they've told you the right ways to do certain things, and then baw eleditse, then that means ukuthi they have advised you. So I don't know which term can I use in English that would make you guys understand. But nonetheless, I digress. She did explain ukuthi they did tell her that marriage is not going to be easy. At this point, she's thinking of leaving her matrimonial bedroom because things are not happening. Uzamkolo is not talking to her. It's just silence. It's just cold. So Ugirl is like, the Numamezala wake, being the Mamezala that loves her Makoti, saying, no, I'm going to talk to him, but anything that you do not leave your matrimonial bedroom. Anything you do not give up on him. Give him space, but not too much space that you guys slip away from each other. I was like, yes, Manzimande. And she kept her promise, set Uzamkolo down, and made him see ukuthi what his actions are doing are actually hurting Unomafu, because she knows for a fact that he does love his wife, and this situation is just to test them, right? Okay, sharp. After that, the son, Umfana Gamzobe, the one that just passed away, came with a lot of threats, threatening the almighty Zamkolo. Remember, Zamkolo has so much powers, guys. Remember the time where they pointed him with a gun and the gun started turning. It was like we're watching Nigerian movies, but it was in South Africa. Yeah, so I think the guy forgot to Zamkolo has mighty powers and stuff like that. So he tried to threatened actually Uzamkolo, taking all his father's belongings and saying, it shall not be my family that weeps in funeral. So everybody in Jela, you must be careful. So that was a threat. Fine. We were just amazed in that. Kabisile Naye got the present of her life. The baby daddy is baby daddying. Ulwazi is making sure that he shows up and he shows off for Ukabsile. He does things Ukabsile that Ukabsile never thought ukuthi she would get, considering ukuthi uye wapiga isisu Ulwazi. Now the question is, when Ulwazi finds out the truth ukuthi uMamzobe is the one that made Uphagatwayo to go to hospital, will he change his feelings towards his girlfriend and baby mama to be? Right? And okay, uMamzobe uye waye esibhedlela, my landlords, right? Ayobona ubani uPhakathwayo. After uMazungu amfonile lamtshela ukuthi uPhakathwayo uvukile uyakhuluma. Yo, I'm so happy, I'm so excited. Kore lethabo la ka ke khone le tlhalosa. Ke tlo tlhalosetsa bo betere ka Setswana banong ene lona a le rate Setswana fa ndiwana ke my joy can only be explained better in Setswana. And I know you guys don't like it when I speak Setswana all the time because Zulu seems to be the language that you prefer the most. But uPhakathwayo remembered. Phakathwayo remembered. Phakathwayo does not have amnesia. I think that is the meaning of the dream that uMamZobe had. Remember, uMamZobe had a dream. uPhakathwayo amhlasela, and then in that dream, uMamZobe was so shaken and she was scared. So it looks like the dream is coming true because her husband remembers everything. Does this mean uMamZobe will finally be arrested and justice will take its course? Or will the church deal with this matter the church way, the way they normally do things? Will MamZobe finally get the punishment that we all think she deserves? Or ugel uzophunyuka ngombobo like she always does? I don't know, my landlords. Stay tuned. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, let me know what you think about tonight's episode. And also, do not forget to advise which episode can we cover to replace Umkhokha the curse. This is your girl, Adisebe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.